Clove and fenugreek are two spices that are commonly used in cooking and baking. Both spices have a distinct flavor and aroma, but they also offer numerous health benefits when consumed regularly. Cloves contain eugenol, a natural compound that has been shown to have antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Fenugreek is an herb that has been used in alternative medicine for centuries. It has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and improve digestive health. Together, clove and fenugreek can help improve overall digestive health, reduce bloating, and promote regular bowel movements. Both cloves and fenugreek contain natural compounds that can help boost immune health and fight off infections. Consuming cloves and fenugreek regularly can help strengthen your immune system and reduce your risk of getting sick. Cloves contain antioxidants that help protect the body from damage caused by free radicals and inflammation. Fenugreek contains compounds that can help reduce inflammation in the body and improve circulation, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease.